Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. I'm Ritika and today we are demonstrating the Joint Chat plugin. Here we will show you how to create automated chat box using Joint Chat plugin. So let's get started. First step is installation and activation of Joint Chat plugin. So after the activation is complete, opening Joint Chat. Click OK, let's start. Then enter your phone number. From here you can choose your country code and enter the number and then click on done. Let's continue. So after completion of this step, you can see this page to be shown. Here you can add your own message. You can either type it down or you can copy paste it. I'm showing you example here. So I'm writing, hi, we are from Buddy Developers and we provide WordPress services. Then click on continue with text. Now you get an option to add call to action. Then you can add and then click to continue, or if you don't want, then don't add. On to next page where if you want updates, you can add your email. Then click go to Joint Chat settings. So here you can see whatever the details we have filled are shown over here. The message which we have added. You can also see the WhatsApp icon since we have added the number. If you want, you can change the icon from here. And you can also change the other settings, the call to action which we have added and other details. Whatever we have filled is here. You can change from here, bold, italics or everything. Then save changes. So we are done over here. Now click on preview. So here you can see this preview of this Joint Chat box. This is how it looks in the front end. So you can see our chat box here. So that's it for this video. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video informative, then do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.